Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can install XAMPP server in Linux. On this system, I am using Lubuntu, a lightweight version of Ubuntu. So simply visit download page and you can see it is available for Mac OS X and XAMPP. Linux XAMPP server is also available for Windows. So download the version for Linux. You can see it is available in different versions. You can see the version number and details of PSP. So after downloading this, you need to open your downloads folder. Here you can see the name of complete installer. Now we need to open terminal. So in my case, I'm going to go to tools and open terminal. So now we can use two commands. First of all, we can use this command chmod space 755 and then the name of our installer. So you can simply right click and go to rename, press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy the name. And now we have opened our terminal, so we can use chmod space 755 and Ctrl plus Shift plus D to paste this. Or you can also right click and choose properties and go to permissions and make this executable. And now if you will open this, you will see this option, this file is executable, do you want to execute it? So you can execute it. If this method doesn't work, you can cancel this and you can use the terminal. Now if hit enter, and now we need to run our installer. Now you need to type sudo space and now name of the installer, hit enter, type your password. And now you should see the installer. Actually, I had already installed XAMPP server on this system. Then later I uninstalled XAMPP server from this system, and then I tried to install it again and it gave me an error. Let me show you the error message. I have a screenshot. I think yes. So here you can see error copying files from packed archive. So I hope now I won't see this error message again. Let's take next. Now I'm not going to install XAMPP developer files. Click next. And now it is being installed. Okay, here you can see XAMPP is still giving me this error message, error copying file from packed archive. So I'm going to abort and cancel. Now hit yes. There might be an issue with this version of installer, so I have also another installer. So let's open computer, open in a new tab, go to file system, opt, lam, and you can see all the files. So let's delete this folder. If I right click, I cannot delete this folder, so I will have to open this as a root, type my password and let's delete this folder. Go back and here you can see another version of my installer. So let's copy the name of this installer, go back to terminal, chmod 755 and then paste the name, hit enter. Now type sudo space and then let's run this installer. So you can see the version number. Next. Okay, here you can see error message. So I don't know why it is giving me this error message. Let's retry. Ignore. Let's abort. Now I'm going to cancel this and right click and let's execute this. So there might be some permission issues, so let's go back to downloads page and let's download XAMPP, the latest version of XAMPP, a fresh copy of XAMPP. Escape. So here you can see our download is complete. Let's open the folder. And we can make it executable. Here you can see the latest version. Let's view the detail list and type date modified. This is our installer, so we need to run this installer. Copy the name, tools, and open in terminal. So far it is unpacking all files successfully without giving me any error message. Now it is creating an installer. So here you can see now XAMPP has been installed successfully without giving me any error. Now we can launch XAMPP server. So if I click finish, we should see this graphical tool to manage our server. So if we go to manage servers, you can see Apache web server is already running. We can also run through FTPD. Simply click start, or we can also run MySQL database. So if you see any error message during installation, simply go back to apachefriends.org and download a fresh copy of XAMPP server and then try to install it again. Now all services are running. So if I type localhost, you can see XAMPP server homepage. We have successfully installed XAMPP server. And let me show you where you can see all the files. You will have to visit my computer, file system, OPT, and here you can see XAMPP folder. It's called LAMP here. And here you can see all the files. If you are going to install WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, or any other content management system, you will have to copy your files in htdocs directory. This is called htdocs. You will have to paste your files here. And now you can also stop all these services, or you can restart all services. If you accidentally close this graphical tool, you can restart it again, or you can also use your terminal to start, stop or restart XAMPP services. So let me show you the commands. Now you need to use this command, and if you want to start, simply use start. To stop, use the word stop, and to restart services, use restart. So now XAMPP server has been stopped. Let me show you. If I refresh this page, you can see it is not running. So let's start all services. Refresh this page, and now you can see all services have been running successfully. We can also stop all these services. If we refresh this page, now all services have been stopped and we can start them again. So this is how you can install XAMPP server in Linux, and you can fix the common errors. Thank you very much for watching this video.